Hi guys, Mr. Matt here. I'm gonna walk you through the next tutorial in the Skill Builder chess set series, the King, in SketchUp. So we're just gonna start with a simple circle base like we did with the pawn. I want this to be 15 millimeters, so I can just type in 15 and enter, and it's gonna make it exactly 15. And then I can pull that up a little bit, and then I want to put a circle in the middle of that. So I want to find the middle. If I find the end point and go in, it'll tell me that that's the center. And then I can make a circle there, get push, pull again, and pull that up. And there's my base. Now I need to draw a rectangle on top of this. So if I find this end point there, and I moved in. So I find the end point here where it says end point, and then as I move, I make sure that it's giving me a red dotted line. That means I'm on the red axis. And if I keep going towards the middle, then it gives me that blue dot that says center. So I'm going to draw my line from that center point up. I'm going to go 60 millimeters. That's a good size. And then out, and then down, and then in there. And if your shape that you draw isn't shaded on the inside, there's a problem. Your lines don't meet up right. If you do it correctly, it will be shaded on the inside. So if yours is clear in the middle, you got to delete those lines and try again until you get it to be shaded. It's a little tricky, but it can be done. Now we want to make the top of the king, so I'm going to draw a line straight across there. I'll zoom in a little bit, and inside of this, I'm going to build the top of the king. So I'm going to go from here up to there, and then up to the corner. I changed my mind. Undo that. I want it to be here, up, then over, and then over again. Yeah, that's cool. Now I'm going to come back. I'm going to go a little bit below my horizontal line there, and I'm going to draw another horizontal line. And then I'm going to get my arc tool, zoom out a little bit. I got a pan so I can see what I'm doing. And with that arc tool, I want to be right about here. Click once to start, go down to the other point here. I want to click again. And now it won't finish until I click one more time. So I can decide, like, that's too much. I want to pull it out a little bit. I actually don't like that arc at all. So I think it should be in here a little bit. Yeah. Whoop, that didn't do what I wanted. Let me try that again. Maybe if I... That's pretty good right there. I like that. All right, so now I should be able to get the eraser and erase some of these interior lines and hopefully get the profile that I want, and that worked. So now I need to do the magic of the follow me tool. So first I need to select the path that I want to follow, and I want to follow this. Now something that I just found out, if you just select the whole circle, that's going to make your object solid, which means when it 3D prints, it'll print that whole king solid, which uses a lot of PLA. So you can, if I just select the edge of the circle, there, you can see the edge of the circle is lit up blue. So now I selected that path, but I didn't select the whole top of the circle. So now when I do follow me, I think they'll print the object hollow, which will use a lot less PLA. So click follow me, and nothing happened. Let's try if we just select the circle and do follow me this way. Oh, that one worked. Okay, so we'll use some PLA and print it solid. That's okay. And so there, no, now I need to make the cross or little plus sign on top of the king. So I'm going to change my view and orbit so I can see the top of it. And I want to set up some guidelines. I'm going to use the ruler tool, this little tape measure you see here. And I'm going to pull a line across on the red axis, and then I'm going to pull a line across on the green axis. And where those two intersect is the middle of the top of my king right there. which is where I want to start my plus sign. So I need to make a rectangle, well, square really. And if I press Control, I can go out from the middle. Ooh, it's not working. Let's undo that. Let's try Alt. That doesn't work either. Huh. It's weird. Shift. No, that doesn't do it. How did he do that? I don't know how he found the middle. Well, maybe I'll post another video showing you how to make the cross. All right, I'm going to stop this for now.